Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla.
Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and every one. My people, I got breaking news, breaking news. I got information that the 13-year-old girl who goes by the name of Winshae Barrett, who went missing on Saturday, that would be the 16th of October, the year 2021. Yes, she had been found today. That would be the 18th of October, the year 2021. Yes, I got information that she had been found today, the 18th of October, the year 2021, and she is alive. I got information that she had been taken to a hospital. I don't have confirmed information about her medical condition, but it is said that she had been taken to a hospital. It is said that the 13-year-old girl who goes by the name of Winshae Barrett had been found in bushes by a search party just outside of the community that is known as a Springbank, that is within the parish that is known as St. Thomas, that is within the country that is known as Jamaica. And that is the same parish that the same 13-year-old girl who goes by the name of Winshae Barrett is said to be from, and that is the same parish where it is said that she reportedly went missing. You understand? Now, I got no confirmed information as to if the person who goes by the name of Davian Bryan had been arrested or apprehended. No, I got no confirmed information that Davian Bryan had been apprehended or arrested. As far as I know, or as much information as I got, is that Davian Bryan is still at large. See? So obviously, the police within the country of Jamaica and other persons I look fame as how me get to understand. You see, but the point is, my people, the 13-year-old girl had been found. She is alive. I got no confirmed information about her medical condition for now, but me just let you know that she's alive. At least I'm letting you know that, my people. You see me? Now, someone send me a video clip and tell me said the video clip shows when persons are bringing the 13-year-old girl from out of the bushes, and it is said that they covered her down for certain reasons. You understand? So when me see the video clip at first, me da fret, but when me get the information, me get the understanding said them cover her down for certain reasons. I don't know why, you understand, but that are the information me get. You see? So you don't know me Dancehall skilla. I'm there to keep you up to date and posted, let you know what's going on. If I get any more information about the situation, I will let you, my people, know. You see me? You can check the comment section of this video and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this whole situation. My people, Winshae Barrett had been found, and it is said that she's alive and she had been taken to a hospital. Informations are somewhat sketchy, and I know that there will be more details to come when it comes down to this whole situation. So big up and respect to each and every one. I'm in your Dancehall.
Hey yo, skilla.